Trade Confident family, how is everyone doing? Guys, this is not great for Bitcoin today. We saw a major drop, honestly farther than I was expecting, all the way down to $64,100. And based on this move, I know yesterday's video was pretty bearish, but today we're talking another 10% drop from the current price or more in the longer term as we move towards the halving event. This is scary, but don't worry. Long term, Trade Confident is still bullish. I want to say right off the bat, the data that I'm going to show you could easily launch Bitcoin towards new all-time highs in the coming weeks after the halving event. But first, we need to see this drop play out. These are healthy moves. This is not meant to scare everyone, more meant to show the next major buy opportunity coming for Bitcoin before things really take off after the halving event. Let's jump into it. Thanks for joining us today. I'm taking you over to the Trade Confident homepage here. As of today, we are 169 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades, and there is a brand new future forecast out. This video is going to go into much more detail with a lot more supporting data as to why we should prepare for a possible $20,000 Bitcoin crash. In today's analysis, we will be showing you the data that says we are most likely going to head down a lot further. I've said this before, but there is no reason for price to break back above the all-time high right now. Long term, we are uber bullish, but before you sell or buy anything, watch this analysis for wisdom. You can access it with a membership at the links in the description down below. More on that later. First, we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin metrics, starting with the emotional index. First bearish point of data here. We are still in excited territory despite a massive drop in the market today. Most often, it's not until we reach anxious or fearful territory that we actually see reversals in price and moves back up. So this tells me we could easily see continuations in our current drop. Watch out for that. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. We are still in the breakout zone, and most often, as you're going to see in multiple places within Bitcoin's history, this is where massive volatility happens in the market, and we need to be watching this very carefully because massive volatility, of course, is going to bring massive moves in the market. And with data pointing bearish, this may not be good. Keep an eye out for that. This is going to show you the size of the next move, not the direction. If you want to follow direction, we need to be paying attention to what whales are doing. This is actually a more bullish point. This is on the daily time frame. Keep that in mind. I'm going to show you higher time frames like the weekly later. But right now on the daily, we have an orange bar to the upside showing long trade sentiment for Bitcoin. This is encouraging and tells us that whales are still looking to buy Bitcoin when possible. But I don't think it's going to happen until we reach a value of around 600 or 800 on this chart. This shows what whales are likely to do in the near future. Let's talk about what whales are doing today with the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. Interestingly, we're seeing divergence. Whale money is flowing into the market like crazy, showing that whales are buying this drop. This actively shows massive transactions in the market are buying. So why is the price dropping? Guys, we're going to be talking about that later in this video. There are larger amounts of money moving out of the market on higher time frames, and it's going to be something we need to pay attention to. But as the price drops, it's very likely whales are going to continue buying into the market, but I want everyone to pay attention to this resistance line right here. Very easily, we could bounce off this resistance and continue heading back down on this chart. Of course, we'll keep everyone updated. This is going to be a crucial metric to pay attention to. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Sell signal right here, move down. Sell signal, move down. Sell signal, move down. Over and over again, we are seeing this. And as the price dropped back here, we actually got a buy signal that called the bottom a little bit early, but easy move up that would have made pretty solid profit. As the price drops, we're going to be looking for another buy signal to call the bottom before the next move up. You're going to see it back here, multiple buy signals called the massive pump before Bitcoin really took off to new all-time highs. So buy signals are going to be very reliable on the trade signals chart. As this plays out, doesn't matter if you're a Bitcoin trader or not, you need to be paying attention to what Bitcoin is doing, because where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes too. Updates are posted every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Cannot emphasize this enough. The future forecast video is going to go much more in depth with the data that I'm showing you today. It is leaps and bounds ahead, and he's going to be talking longer term as well. Future forecast video is going to be extremely important for your trades leading up to the halving event. Members get access to all this, plus the trade setups, Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts, and more. Plus, you're going to want to hurry up and snag the membership soon because price increases are coming. Let me show you. As always, guys, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Hurry, because price increases up to $65 a month are coming on April 20th. Discounted prices, if you purchase now, will stay. Your prices will not increase. Snag it as soon as possible. The membership is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, we are heading into the live charts. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. You're going to see our top resistance line is the all-time high as it stands. The second one down here is $64,100, followed by $52,890. This is going to be worst case scenario. I'm not expecting a drop to that point yet, but Travis's video is going to show you information of why we could actually drop that far. I'm telling you, that video is crucial. Do not miss it. First up, what I want to talk to you about is the 21 EMA. What you're going to notice is throughout the history of the daily time frame, most often this is used as support. In a bull market, this is used as support, but as soon as you hit a downtrend, the price sits below it. As soon as we began moving back up, uptrend, 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 but we have just broken below it again on the daily time frame. This could be bad news and could result in some pretty significant moves to the downside, as we've already shown is possible in the patterns. This isn't great, but if we head to the 1 week time frame, things are even worse. Check this out, guys. The 1 week time frame has used this as support multiple times throughout its bull market history. You're going to see multiple touches, and as this plays out, it would be very healthy for the price of Bitcoin to drop and touch the 21 EMA once again. At the same time, I want everyone to pay attention to this. Right here, you're going to see the price versus well money flow is descending. It is trending downwards, but within the same point, the price of Bitcoin is trending upwards. On the weekly time frame, this is massive bearish divergence. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if whale money is trending out of the market, this is where we need to be careful, because especially with today's bearish candle, often this will result in significant moves to the downside. Guys, this is yet another bearish point. Bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, and I haven't even mentioned this, but we have a sell signal up here after price versus well money flow and trades in favor were high on the weekly. Most often, this will result in moves back to the downside within a period of about 6 candles. We're seeing that play out exactly. We need to be careful. Weekly time frame is highly bearish as well. Watch out, guys. Big moves down look like they are coming through the next couple of weeks for Bitcoin. Now, you may be asking yourself, what do we even do? This is crazy data. This is scary data. What should we do? Let's talk about how Trade Confident is dealing with this. I want to say right off the bat, none of this is financial advice. This is just what we at Trade Confident are doing, but we are not worried. Small drops, and I know it's actually really not a small drop. It is something we really need to pay attention to. But drops like this are not scaring us out of the market. Trade Confident is holding, and we are buying the dips as they play out. And the signals that we're looking for are price versus well money flow low. We want to see trades in favor low, and we want to see a buy signal. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal. Price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal. And what you're going to notice is each of these points is extremely bullish. We want to see it on both the 1 week, and I'd love to see it on the 1 day time frame as well. Let this load up, And what you're going to notice is back here, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, move up. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, a little bit of a drop followed by a much larger move up. So as the price drops on the daily, we want to see price versus while money flow low. We want to see trades in favor low. We want to see a buy signal. Once we get all three of these, we call this the trifecta here at Trade Confident. This is what we're looking for in order to see the next move up. This could be a fantastic buy opportunity and possibly one of the last major ones before the halving event takes place. Now, with all of that in mind, let's talk price predictions. We are going to head to the 1-day time frame and turn our drawings back on. Now, what you're going to notice here is multiple touches at our first structure support sitting at $62,250. This is going to be a crucial support from our local trading patterns. We've been trading between these two structure supports and resistances for quite some time. This is going to be our first structure support. In order to find the significance of the second one sitting at $58,500, we need to head to the weekly time frame. As we scroll back here, you're going to notice something interesting. Over a period of multiple weeks, our lower structure support at 58,500 was used as a strong resistance structure, only broken a couple of times. This is going to be our next point of support. Heading back to the daily time frame, I want to let you know the significance of these two structure supports is going to be emphasized in Travis's future forecast video. You do not want to miss out on that. I'm telling you guys, it is crucial information. I know I keep saying it, but that's how serious I am about it. With that in mind, I showed you how to buy the likely bottom. I showed you what Trade Confident is looking for. Just to reiterate, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low with a buy signal, ideally on both the daily and weekly timeframes to see the next major move up in Bitcoin. Trade Confident is not selling regardless of how far this drop goes. We are just looking to buy the dip. Now, to do that, you're going to want to snag these indicators. Guys, they have helped us earn 169 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. You cannot afford to miss the next signals. Let me show you how to get up to $550 off these indicators right now. Check it out. Once again, the links are in the description. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Indicators are the second link. Click that. And it's going to bring you to the Pro Indicator page. Members get a massive $150 discount right off the bat. It is much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Once you have your membership, you're going to want to watch that future forecast video, of course, but access the coupon code here, click Pro Indicator Pack, scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in that future forecast video. Don't miss out.